Earthquakes frequently occur in Los Angeles and because the city is located along the San Andreas Fault, near the Pacific Ring of Fire. In Los Angeles, smaller earthquakes can occur daily, while larger, noticeable earthquakes are experienced a few times a year. Significant destructive earthquakes are rare, but the possibility of such events still exists. Damn.
Hi there. Let's start the day. Well, it's actually already 1:30. He left before noon today with all sorts of errands, but now I've come into downtown Los Angeles and I'm going to check out some interesting things. The first stop is Grand Park. So this is Grand Park. Don't ask me why someone is here in a delivery outfit. I don't see any real delivery options. And the park goes all the way to that building. What I've just seen is the Los Angeles City Hall. This area actually seems safe. The city is trying to fight against crime. There's an app where you can immediately report if you notice something suspicious, there's also a phone number for that. On the metro and buses, after leaving each stop, they announce who to contact if something happens. And they have a campaign slogan for this, which is that if you see something, say something. If you hear that, happens. Or if you see anything suspicious, no. And they have this campaign slogan that says, if you see something, say something. And you keep hearing it all the time. Did you hear that?
Call 911 or use the on-board station intercom. If you see something, say something.
This is the Walt Disney Concert Hall. In downtown Los Angeles. It's an impressive and very unique building from every angle. They didn't hold back on the materials. Over 15,000 square meters of stainless steel covers the building. And this here is a completely free museum. I'll take a look inside and see what's here. I would love to touch it, but I'm not allowed to. just going to film this. Just a nice little space. And by the way, there's almost no one here except for me. It has a true American business district vibe. And here is the Angels Flight Railway. It's famous for being the shortest railway in the world. Here we are at the Grand Central Market. A great vibe, market with plenty of restaurants. Thank you. For lunch I chose grilled beef from a Japanese restaurant. But this Japanese beef was delicious. If I were to stay here in Los Angeles, I would definitely come here for lunch every day and try all the restaurants. I really like this place. Well, you don't have to go far to the next stop. The site is right here at the Bradbury Building. This place is renowned for its stunning architectural design, particularly noted for the extensive use of intricate wrought iron elements that are abundantly incorporated throughout the structures, giving it a unique and captivating appearance that draws the admiration of many visitors. Where I'm walking now is the Japanese neighborhood. And here is El Pueblo de Los Angeles, the Mexican Quarter in Los Angeles. It's the oldest part of Los Angeles. Viva la Mexico! That's it for today. If you liked it, then go ahead and give it a like. If you're curious about more, then hit the subscribe button down below. Tomorrow, I'm heading to Las Vegas. I'm sure it will be very interesting. Hi everyone. I'll show you this on the way back, which I stumbled upon. It was a famous record.